有一个大哥评论说，问我敢不敢再打一个榴莲，今天挑战一下，打烂了给个手机，给个关注，评论66，打不烂不要给，绝对真实，骗你们的话天打雷劈，我发誓，打烂了给个手机，给个关注，评论666，哟哟哟哟哟哟哟哟哟哟。
Shoot at a nigga, no dribble. I pull up with 200 bows in my room. They was already.
XX King Cobra XX donated $5. Yo, how much dollar to end stream right now?
How much money to end stream right now? Bro, we literally just started this game. Are you serious? I don't know if you're serious, but let's just say $300. That sounds fair, chat? Yeah?
A few inches later.
XX King Cobra XX
No.
donated $300. Bet.
Chat, I have to do it. I'm a man of my word. I guess I have to end stream right now. I'll see you guys next stream. Shout out to my boy King Cobra. I'm sorry, boys.
What the fuck? What the fuck is this? That is not funny.